You probably think fancy gadgets always cost a ton of money, right? Well, don't be so sure. China tech breakthroughs are turning that old idea on its head. Seriously. Did you know there's an electric car from China that drives better than a luxury brand but sells for half the price? Crazy, huh? Or that some factories now hire actual robots as full-time workers? Like, they get a badge and everything. Sounds fake, but it's not. It's happening right now. Let's just peel back the curtain a little and see what's going on. These changes are pretty fascinating. Oh, and before we jump into this wild ride together, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button, click the little bell too. You really don't want to miss the stuff coming next in cutting-edge technology. How can a car be both high quality and affordable? The answer lies in total control. One company builds nearly everything itself. From the battery to the brain of the car, nothing is left to chance. This is called vertical integration. By owning the whole process, they cut out middlemen and save huge amounts of money. Smart electric vehicles coming out of China are not cheap because they are low-tech. They are cheap because production is super efficient. This underdog brand even outsold bigger names like NIO and XPeng. That is a big deal in the EV boom. They started small with affordable models. Then they added a clever global partnership. Their factory uses highly automated lines. This means fewer errors and faster builds. High-quality manufacturing is key here. Every part is tested and made in-house, so you get a reliable car without the insane price tag. It's a simple formula that is shaking up the entire auto industry. Forget fancy demos that crash after 5 minutes. These new robots have actual jobs. Humanoid machines now stand on production lines as official employees. They don't take coffee breaks, they don't complain. In a tough factory setting, they achieve 100% accuracy. That is perfect work, every single time. Humanoid robots like these learn through reinforcement learning. This means they get better the more they work. It's not just about lifting heavy things. It is about precision and speed. These robots are part of a larger push for industrial automation. Factories want machines that can handle real pressure, and these robots deliver. They manage full lifecycle tasks from start to finish. Plus, they are cost-efficient in the long run. You pay up front, but they work non-stop for years. This is the world's first large-scale use of embodied AI in a factory. The age of robot coworkers is not coming. It is already here. Who is running these high-tech machines? Surprisingly, it is a very young crowd. New industries need new skills, and young people are jumping at the chance. In places like Anhui Province, the new energy vehicle sector is growing faster than almost anywhere else. Here, young technicians are the real heroes of the floor. They are not old professors in dusty labs. They are fresh-faced workers who genuinely love tech. Some are barely out of college. Others learned their trade through hands-on vocational training. But they all share one thing: curiosity. They work on smart manufacturing systems that build electric cars and batteries. These systems are complex. They involve sensors, robotic arms, and live data feeds. But here is the funny part. These kids grew up with smartphones and video games. So, complex digital tools feel totally natural to them. A joystick or a touchscreen? No problem. A control panel with 50 buttons? They figure it out in 10 minutes. A reporter recently visited this hub in Anhui and saw the energy firsthand. It was loud, it was fast, but the young workers stayed calm. They solved problems right on the spot. A robot arm stopped moving. One technician rebooted the logic controller in seconds. A battery test failed. Another worker adjusted the parameters on her tablet. These technicians learn new software in days, not months. They share tips through group chats, They watch online tutorials at night. This generation is building the low-altitude economy and our digital future. They are not sitting around waiting for opportunities to fall into their laps. They are creating those opportunities with their own two hands. It is truly exciting to see young energy meet heavy industry. And the best part? They are just getting started. As industrial automation spreads to more factories, these young pioneers will be the ones teaching the machines, not the other way around. Rockets are usually one-of-a-kind wonders. Each part is custom-made. That takes forever and costs a ton. But a new rocket called Legion 2 changes that rule. It uses a modular rocket design. Basically, the main body and the boosters look almost the same. This is on purpose. Engineers call it a universal booster core. Think of it like building with Lego bricks. You make many copies of the same piece, then you snap them together. This commercial spaceflight approach speeds up production like crazy. You can mass produce the main parts. This rocket can carry 12 tons to low Earth orbit. That is strong enough for space station missions. But the real win is the speed of building it. The design is flexible and efficient. If you need a bigger rocket, just add more universal parts. If you need a smaller one, take some away. Copper foil is not glamorous, but it is vital for your phone and future batteries. There has always been a frustrating trade-off. If you make copper strong, it loses its ability to conduct electricity well. If you make it conductive, it gets weak when hot. Scientists could never win, until now. Researchers have created a super thin copper foil that breaks all the old rules. This material is only 10 micrometers thin. That is way thinner than a hair. Yet, it has ultra-high strength and high conductivity at the same time. Normal copper foil tears at around 600 megapascals. This new foil hits 900. That is nearly twice as strong. But here is the magic. It still keeps 90% of the conductivity of pure copper, and it handles heat very well. China is known for making phones and clothes for the world. But now, a new product is taking over: robots. Robot exports are becoming a huge calling card for the country. In just the first 3 months of this year, robot sales abroad hit 11 billion yuan. That is about $1.6 billion. And these robots went to 148 different countries. Cleaning robots are the star players. They made up nearly 70% of those sales. Industrial robots are not far behind, with a 42% jump in sales. In Wuhu City, they are even selling robot dogs. These four-legged machines can carry 5 kilograms. They run for 2 hours and have night lights. They squeeze into tight spots where people cannot go. So, overseas property managers use them for security patrol inspections. These are not toys, they are real tools. And countries like the United Kingdom, Poland, and Italy are buying them in bulk. A robot is only as good as its hands. You need to grab, twist, and press. A startup called LinkerBot is solving this problem. They are building dexterous robot hands, powered by artificial intelligence. One of their robots once played the piano at a big ceremony. It hit keys as well as a top human player. That is crazy precise. In their lab, engineers teach these hands to do many things. They throw a ball, they pour a drink, they even thread a needle. The goal is to mimic human movement perfectly. They use embodied AI to make this happen. First, they collect tons of movement data. Then the robot learns through algorithms. In the past, programmers wrote strict rules for every tiny move. That took forever. Now, large AI models look at huge amounts of data. The robot figures out the best way on its own. They train for tasks like grabbing fragile items or using tools.